Hello, this is the registration number UR14CS174, and we are gonna draw the sequence diagram for the bus reservation system. First, I will tell you what is sequence diagram. Sequence diagram is one type of interaction diagram. It is used to describe some type of interaction among different elements in the model. The sequence diagrams captures the time sequence of the message flow from one object to another. It also demonstrates the behavior of the object in the use case by describing the objects and the messages they pass. Actually, the basic components of a sequence diagram are the object, actor, lifeline, and the activation in the message. So, one by one, I will tell you what it is. Here, object. So, objects are the instance of classes as we know that, and they are arranged horizontally and they are represented in this way. And actors, as we saw in use case diagram, actors are same like that. Actors can also communicate with objects, so they can be listed in the column 2. Then a lifeline. The lifeline is the identifies the existence of the object over time. That is, when a message is being passed from the object to another object, that period of the time would be known as the lifeline. Activation. Activation is represented with a rectangular box, that is the lifeline would be indicated with it, that an action would be completed. Messages, that is being passed using a horizontal arrow between activation. Now self message is a loop kind of thing. It's a loop when an object sends a message to itself. Recursive message is self message occurs when an object sends a message to itself within a horoscope recursive scope. Now I will show you the output for the following thing. So here this is the customer and the agent, and this is the login. So first we are doing the login. So here you can see first the server is here and the customer and agent. So first the customer would enter the password and the username. So the server will validate whether it's correct or not. Then if it is an invalid user, it will again tell the customer and agent to enter it again. Then the fourth time it would welcome if it is being validated. Then ticket booking would take place. Then he can log out and log out would be successful once the process will be executed. Then second diagram is between the customer and the ticket booking server. So customer would fill the details, that is enter source, destination, date of journey. The booking ticket agent will show the availability of the seats. The customer will book the seats and it will process ticket. If the seats have been booked, it will confirm it through that, and it can't be booked, so it will give an invoice to the customer. Now the third type of sequence diagram is between customer, ticket server and bank. So first, when the ticket has been booked, the ticket server would ask for customer's account details. The customer would give the following details, and the ticket server would pass those details to the bank for the updation of the account. Once the account has been updated, then the ticket will be successfully booked. Now, it if the account is not updated, so it won't be booked. So the last one sequence diagram would be between customer, ticket, and end. That is cancellation. So first, the customer would request cancellation. It would check for refund, and then if it is not, so directly it will go to the customer. That is the message that ticket cannot be cannot be refunded. If it can be refunded, so it will be going to the server. Ticket server would say to the bank, that is add refund refundable. It will update the account. If the account has been updated, the ticket would be cancelled. So this was the sequence diagram. Thank you.